The Oregon Supreme Court sided with Governor Kate Brown in their legal battle over her COVID-19 restrictions. The court ruled that a Baker County judge was wrong when he ruled her stay-at-home orders violated a time limit and had expired. 10 churches, including one in Douglas County, filed a lawsuit claiming that Brown violated their rights to gather for a religious service. Now, the court ruled the Baker County judge's preliminary injunction was based on a legal error because the time limit was incorrect. He said the governor declared a state of emergency under a different state law. KEZI 9 News reporter Evita Garza spoke with some of the plaintiffs in Douglas County about how they're now putting this lawsuit behind them.
Do I think it's wrong? Yes. But it's a ruling. It's final.
After weeks of fighting for their constitutional rights against Governor Kate Brown, Travis Hunt says it's time to move forward.
If the Lord had wanted us to win, we would have won. We didn't, and so we just have to adjust accordingly.
Hunt is just one of a dozen of people who signed on to the lawsuit against Brown last month. And he's also the lead pastor of Camas Valley Christian Fellowship. He says Friday's Supreme Court ruling is extremely frustrating, but it's not surprising.
The ruling is the ruling, and if they did it for unjust reasons, they'll stand before the Lord.
Ronald Rust, another plaintiff and pastor at the church, says he fully agrees with Hunt. He says he believes a left-leaning political bias played a part in the ruling.
Somewhat against this with the number of appointees being appointed by either the present governor or the past two.
However, Hunt says what's done is done. Now that a decision has been made, Hunt says the last thing he wants to do is dwell on it. He says he wants to focus on making his church the best it can be, especially under the new Phase 2 guidelines.
Basically, we're outside, and people are bringing lawn chairs and staying at whatever distance they feel safe.
Even though it was a tough fight, Hunt says he has no regrets.
We got to see America work the way it was built. We laid suit.
And he just hopes Governor Brown tried to see things from their perspective. In Camas Valley, Evita Garza, KEZI 9 News.